everyone. Today I'd like to take the opportunity to invite everyone to attend the webinar on artificial intelligence and how innovation henceforth since 2021, I think loads and loads of innovation and inventions are happening around AI. And in 2020 itself, multiple applications globally has been filed in the course of events, and we would be discussing the practices, the best practices as to how one can understand intellectual property rights in the new age, and especially since everybody is doing some kind of business in the online world.